have my 4 types of beaded handle here. This is the single handle, this is the matting handle, this is the 4x4 handle, this is the 3x4 handle. Let's get straight to this video. Hello beautiful students, welcome to class 7 of the beginner in bead course. Our first method of handle is the single string handle. I have my fishing line here. So to make the single string handle, you just pick up your beads, insert your beads into the string however length you want. So guys, I have made my string off camera. You can decide to make this string however length you want. You can make it longer depending on the size of bag you have. So I have my string also here. If you don't still know how to mat, you can check my class 1 and to learn how to mat. So first we're going with 4 beads. Going to 4 beads, we are crossing, and I'm using the cross method right now. So the next row, you're taking 3 beads, 1 bead left, 1 bead right, you're crossing with the last bead. So let's continue. Another row, you take your, still on your three beads, 1 left, 1 right, you're crossing with the last bead. So guys, let's do the other rows. This is the second type of handle for any type of beaded bag. So you can decide to bead this handle however length you want. So you can make it longer than this. I'm just using this as an example. So you can make this as long as you want depending on the size of bag you are making. So now guys, I have another fishing line. First, I'm going to be making the mats method, then I build the tube. So first, to make this 4x4, we have to build our mats first. You build your normal mat first. So I'm going to be making this mat 3x5. I'll show you that to explain better. So this is my first. So guys, we are just building our normal matting method for this first. You make your matting method for this type of handle first. So guys, I have made the first row. I'll make 2 more. I have finished making the mat. This is 3x5. 3x5. This is how you call it, 3x5. Now to get our 4x4 handle, we're going to, can you see what I just did? This is how it is. You have to make it like this, bring it like this, something like this. Can you see how it looks? You just fold it. Now to get our 4x4, can you see where this fishing line is? Is inside this bead. Now to make our tube, this is tube. Now we are going to be making our 4x4. This is 1, 2, 3. This one will make the 4th tube. So now let's make this tube. Now on this left fishing line on my left hand, we insert 1 bead. And that won't be the string, right? You're placing it inside this bead here. So guys, can you see we've made this first piece? Now our fishing line is here and here. Now what to do, you insert one bead into any of your string, then you cross. So guys, this, so to make the next, you put your string inside the bead down here, put the string here, and the left string here. So guys, can you see? So you continue that till you get here. So we have now our 4x4 tube. Look at, this is 4, this is 4. That is why it is called 4x4 tube. And you start this tube first by making the mat, then you build your tube. This is the first method. We are still on our 4x4 beaded handle, and now we're going to be beading our tube from scratch. You start with your 4 beads. You cross with the last bead. You make sure your line is meeting at the same point, okay? Make sure they are meeting at the same point. So now you're inserting your 3 beads, one on the left, one on the right, then you cross with the last third bead. Cross. So I'm inserting all my 3 beads into one left, sorry, into the right fishing line. Then I'm crossing with the left bead. So guys, can you see this? Like this, I made 3 ring of 4, 1, 2, 3. Then you fold them. You fold them. After folding them, can you see this is our left fishing line, this is the right fishing line. This right fishing line, you're inserting it into this bead and into this bead here. Let's do that. Then you cross, then you add 1 bead and cross with 1 bead. So guys, look at what we are having now. Your 2 fishing line is going into this 2 bead, one here, the left one here. We are building this 4x4 tube now from the scratch. So you take another 1 bead, you cross. So now look at this. Look at this. Do you hope I hope you understand? You have to watch the video to understand better. You have to watch it continuous to understand better. Now we are building it up. This is our 4x4. Can you see? This is our base. This is the side. So now we are building this up. Now on your right fishing line, you insert 3 beads. On your right fishing line, guys. Then you cross with the last 3rd bead. So guys, can you see what we are having here? Like this. So this your fishing line here on your left hand, you insert it inside this bead. So guys, this is the left fishing line here. Now this right fishing line, this one here, you insert 2 beads. Then you're crossing with the left fishing line. I hope you're understanding, sis. I say sis. I hope you're understanding, beautiful students. Now, the same way you did it, this left fishing line inside this bead here. So, look at this is the left fishing line is already inside this bead. Then the right fishing line, you're inserting 2 beads and crossing with the left fishing line or the left string. Let's be using string. You cross with the left string. And so guys, can you see what we're having now? So this same left fishing line, you're inserting it into this bead and this bead here. Here, insert it here and here. So can you see guys, our fishing line now is on the left and in the right bead. So now you're inserting 1 bead. You'll cross with that 1 bead to make the ring of 4. So guys, can you see that we've built? This is the first row, this is the second row. Can you see that we are building up? Let me do this other side and I'll build off camera later. So let me do this one for you guys. Now to continue this right fishing line, you're inserting 3 beads. You cross with your left string. Yes. Then this left fishing line, guys, you're inserting it inside this bead here. I hope you're understanding. You insert it here. So guys, can you see? Then this right fishing line, you're inserting 2 beads. You cross with the left string. The left fishing line is going into this bead here. Two bead going into the right fishing line. cross with the left bead. So guys, we're in the last ring of 4. Your left fishing line is going into this bead and this bead here. And you're crossing and you're inserting one bead into the left or the right bead and you cross. So guys, this is just how you build your 4x4 tube handle. You guys, you do this however length you want it to be. So guys, we want to make the 3x4 handle, and we're going to be starting with our marking method. So we start with 4 beads, sorry. So next, oops, cross. Now this matting method, we are going to be making 2x5 matting method. So I'll show you. Now we are on our third ring of 4. Third ring of 4, we are going to 5. So I have my rings of 5. Let's make another 1 row. So I've made this 2 rows. So let me make this last one for you, because your fishing line needs to be facing up here. So on your left fishing line, you're adding 2 beads. You crossed with the last bead. So guys, this is what we call 2x5, 2 rows by 5 rows, 2x5. Now to make your 3x4 tube handle, you just need to make, using the maths method, you just need to flip this like this. Then after this guys, this your left fishing line, you need to add 1 bead. You add 1 bead. This is how it looks like, guys. Then you're putting that fishing line here. Can you see? Look how it looks, guys. After flipping it like this, then my fishing line is facing here. Then this is the left fishing line, I see, so that I don't confuse you guys. This is the left fishing line, and I added 1 bead inside the left line. Then this left line, I'm going to be inserting it into this bead here. Can you see this bead here? Let's do that. You insert it into. So guys, can you see now? This is what is called 3x4, because your base will have 3 beads and the side we have 4 beads. This is 3x4. So now what you continue by adding 1 bead, then you cross. So you continue, guys, the left fishing line going here, the right going here. So you're just doing that same process, nothing much. You insert one bead, continue same method. You put this, so the side is going to be 4, the base is going to be 3. So guys, don't forget, you can make this handle as long as you want to. So I'm just making this very short because I'm just teaching you guys how to make this handle. You won't use this length of handle for any beaded bag because it's too small and it won't even fold. Last ring of 4 and we are crossing. So guys, this is what we call 3 by 4. This is just how you make your 3 by 4 beaded handle using the mat method. So guys, that's all for our today's video. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next class, class 8. On class 8, we're going to be learning how to make the circular beaded handle. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. If you have any question, anything disturbing your mind or anything you don't understand, you let me know in the comment section. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let's subscribe and join this growing community. Thanks once again and catch you on our next class. Bye.